Like it's
¿Dónde estarán las mangueras, Chef? Otra manguera que sea un poco más ancha. O entonces, anda, hazme un favor, anda a Home Depot, vete bien.
ya no vas a ver hacer eso.
No, ¿verdad? ¿Y por qué no? Acá que buscar una manguera.
Everything is flooded. The water was halfway, at least you can see the marking right here. The water was up to here, if not a little bit more up. All the plants, books, furniture, the wood, when it gets wet, it rises, so it's gonna rise completely. These are all the cushions. Couch. The floor is completely filled with dirt from the plants and the water. And this is all because of they didn't want to open the BQE sewers. They're doing construction of the BQE, and again, this just happened 2 weeks ago. It wasn't as bad as this, only my basement got flooded. But now the water's going down now, but the water was at least up to here. This is the basement. It's completely flooded. You can see where it reaches up to my leg. Downstairs, I can't even get downstairs. I mean, I'll drown downstairs. Look at the difference between here and all the way over here. This is just one of the rooms that got messed up completely. I called the cops about 40 minutes ago. They said they were on their way, and I mean the fire department, they hung up on me first, and then they said, what do you want us to do to stop the rain? And I said, no, you guys have to open the sewers from the BQE, and they never came, and they just opened the sewers up. Everything is just a mess, a complete mess. You know, my parents work hard, and my dad does not just put 16 hours a day for nothing. Well, for this. But we're going to do something about it. We're going to get everybody together and bring city council in here or something, because this is just ridiculous. It's the second time this happens.
Wow. Ay, ¿por qué no llamamos a la Cruz Roja también?
These people lost everything from their house. They lost their clothes, everything they're wearing now. They're just, that's the only thing they have on right now. And it's like a river over here. Completely flooded. No, pa, el basement está hasta el tope. No puede uno ir para abajo.
Y ayer llamó para que quería regresar.
Look how bad it is. If I keep on going down, it will go up to...
Allá un bien quitado otra vez. Yeah, it starts in the basement. It can go inside.